In a major medical breakthrough, scientists in Chhattisgarh have introduced India's first ever biomarker kit, which could transform the way COVID 19 severity is predicted and managed. Developed by a team at the Multidisciplinary Research Unit MRU of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Hospital in Raipur, this innovation offers early detection of severe COVID 19 cases, promising to enhance patient outcomes and optimize healthcare resources. Published in scientific reports, this research could be a game changer in the fight against the virus. The new biomarkers created by the MRU team are designed to identify patients at risk of severe COVID 19 in the early stages of infection. This early identification allows for better resource allocation, reduces healthcare costs, and has the potential to save countless lives. The kit, developed using leftover samples from routine COVID 19 tests, has demonstrated remarkable accuracy with a sensitivity of 91% and a specificity of 94% in patients without underlying health conditions. By determining the severity of the disease, doctors can now make critical decisions regarding patient care, whether to hospitalize or treat at home. The kit also helps identify the most effective medication regimen, making treatment safer and more efficient. Recognizing the commercial potential of this innovation, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Hospital, Raipur has filed for both Indian and international patents. This research initiative aligns with the Prime Minister's Make in India movement, showcasing the nation's growing capability in medical technologies. The project also received backing from the Health Administration of Chhattisgarh and was funded by the Department of Health Research DHR Government of India. The test identifies the body's adaptive immune response, specifically the T cell response to a new virus infection. By using leftover RNA from routine RT-PCR COVID-19 tests, complementary DNA is generated through reverse transcription. This DNA is then analyzed using qPCR to determine the expression of specific genes. The result is a severity score that indicates the patient's immune response to the virus. A lower score suggests a robust immune response, meaning the patient is likely to recover without advanced medical intervention. Conversely, a higher score signals a weak immune response, suggesting that the patient may require more intensive treatment or even face life-threatening complications. This same methodology could potentially be adopted to detect other viral infections with some adjustments to parameters and thresholds.